Hello, welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video, we'll be working on the Rav4. We're gonna install the crossbars. So the Rav4 didn't come with the crossbars, so I have a set and we're gonna be installing one. Let's quickly unbox it. Okay, so here's the crossbar. So this is the one for the Rav4 XLE, so that's the part number. If you guys are interested, that's the part number. So what does it come? So it has that quality checklist in there. So yep. So they definitely check it before they pack it out. So it says here that the front crossbar is here, and the rear crossbar is there. It's here too. There's no label. So yep. So the hardware, which we have, oops. Okay, so which we have the hardware in here. So it has this torque wrench that comes with it. So the washers and the screws and the keys. So yep. So it also have a bag for the covers from the Rav4, and we have the plastic coverings in here. So yeah, so it's nice that we got the OEM Toyota branded one. I got this on sale. Yep, so I got lucky, got sale price on this with free shipping. It actually shipped from my local dealership. Yep, so yep, there you go. So we got directions. Really, it says forward, so you know you can position them the right way. So they also have like indicator in there, so it says RHRR, and then this one is RH front and LHRR and LH front. So it got that indicator, so you won't have any mistake on installing them. So these crossbars are solid. I like them. So we have this textured finish. So come on, let's install them out. Alright, so with this one we have to remove these covers. So there's 4 of them. So we have to remove those, and then that's where we're gonna mount our crossbars. All right. Okay, so we can use this pry tool. Yeah, that's it. Very quick. So we just have to do all 4s, same thing. Then I'll show you the mounting points. Okay, so before we proceed on installing the crossbar, so again on this packet we got a bag. There's a bag in here that has some pockets, which you can actually put the rail covers in here. So yep, it says rail cover storage, do not discard. So yep, so have to put them in here. So this, they have like indicator where to go. So it says like RR, like it's rear. So right rear, then FR like front rear, or well, front rail. I don't know what I'm talking about. This one has RR too. Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, so just zip this up and just keep them, store them properly. All right. Okay, so these are all the hardwares that we got here. So we're gonna mount this. Make sure when we mount this or place these washers, they are upside. So okay, so make sure they are facing upward with the grooves facing upward. All right, and we have these bolts and we have this torque. It's a torque wrench. So these are torque to 12 Newton meters. All right, and we have 2 keys. Okay, so these are the mounting points. So they are exposed now, and we can just screw the new crossbars on this slot. So same thing there. And yep, all 4 sides are removed. All right, so don't forget to put a cloth just to protect your roof from possible scratches in case you accidentally drop your crossbars. Hopefully it won't happen to me or any of you guys. But yeah, so don't forget to put a cloth in there. All right, so let me get the crossbars. Okay, so also when you're putting this, it has like the indicator on the actual crossbars. It says they're left hand front, and it has the other side which is the right hand front. So yep, so let's install this. It should be very easy. This crossbars are light at the same time heavy duty. There you go. That's it. So let's put the washers here. There you go. It's better to use a ratchet on this one and then just torque it afterwards, which I'm not doing really right now. But if you want to, you can. But just use the tools that they provided us. It will be a lot faster if you use a ratchet. I might do that on the other bolts, but if you don't have any ratchet, the tool that they provided you, it's gonna be enough. But you can just use this after you use the ratchet on torquing it, because this is a pre-torque socket. It's very nice. See, it will be a lot faster. All right, so yeah, just do the same on all 4 sides, and that should be it after that. All right, okay, so now we're going to put the covers. So I have them here, so I'm just gonna put them in here, and then we're just gonna lock them later. So I hope I don't drop it. This will be on the right. Okay, so this one came with 2 keys, which is nice and helpful. So let's snap it in there sideways. Okay. So there's 2 holes. No, this is not right. So you got 2 holes in there. This is angled properly. There's a slot. There you go. I'm scared I didn't break anything. So we're gonna lock it in place. Yep. So there you go. So it snaps and just lock it in place. Yep. Let's do the same thing in all 4s as usual. Then we're gonna check this one out. We're gonna test fit if our roof rack will work on this one, and we'll make another video on that. Right, so it looks better. Way better now. I really like it with the crossbar. Yeah. That is nice. So the covers are properly in place. So nothing to worry about. It's torqued properly, so it won't fall. But yeah, so I like it. So that's how you quickly install the crossbars. So you can do it by yourself, or if you have another buddy to help you, it'll be better, but a one-person job really. Alright, so if you like this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And alright, so nope, we're not ending the video yet. So we're about to, but yeah, I decided to put the roof rack already since I already like working on the roof. So yep, so this is my Rhino rack from the CHR, and it fits perfectly in terms of the size. It's just right for the Rav4. Not too big, not too small. Right? It's nice. I like it. And I'm gonna put the light bar again once I have the actual or the proper switch, so that I can wire it properly, or I can use I have a wireless remote hub which I can use. Yep. So stay tuned on the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I have more plans on this one. So yep guys, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.